Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you the new feature that OpenAI launched in ChatGPT, the new app. Now, what it is, well, it's simple. You have apps living in ChatGPT that you can contact, and ChatGPT will do the work on them directly. A quick demonstration. So, before the October 6th, what we used to do is if you have, for example, an idea, I just told it I'm gonna launch a restaurant app. I call this Ready to Eat, do not see it. Actually, it's a good name. So, yeah, I want a pitch deck, the founders called this, call is this. And what chat does give you the outline, but, it's just that, an outline. You have to go to Canva, for example, and do all of that. That's a hassle. Nobody likes it. Nobody loves it. So now, if we go back here, they have a good selection. Now, this is a base selection, and they're gonna add more in the future. So for now, we're gonna use Canva and Figma. I'll show you how. And let's get a pitch deck, maybe a diagram, and showcase this. So as you can remember, I gave it the prompt, told it to give me the outline and everything. So we have an outline. Now let's start with the pitch deck. Again, I don't want to go to Canva. It's a hassle. Nobody loves it. So let's go like this. All you have to do is just write Canva. As you can see, the app will be here. And I just tell it turn this outline into a pitch deck. So we send it and we wait for the magic to happen. As you can see, it's connecting to the app. I already did this, but when you first do it, it will tell you to connect to your Canva. It's all in this. It will say ChatGPT wants to connect to the app. Just click yes and select your account. We'll see it later in Figma because I haven't used Figma yet. It's creating the pitch deck and it's done. So if we go, see it created multiple pitch decks. Let's go back a bit, close this. As you can see, there are multiple pitch decks. And if we click on each one, it's a fully fledged pitch deck. As you can see, we're not going to read. Look at this. It did all of this on its own. This is a huge. You have no idea how long this takes, or actually you do. But again, all of this, an entire pitch deck, as an example, done in mere moments. Of course, you can do more than pitch decks. You can do presentations as well. I actually did, so let me show you guys. So at first, I do tell it to do a presentation and just chose one of these. Classic ChatGPT misunderstanding me, but it's all right. I just give it a clarification. I want to be different from the pitch decks, a real presentation. It gave me options and told me to choose. I told it option A. So this is what came up with. So as you can see, this is a full presentation done in ChatGPT by ChatGPT, and honestly, it looks amazing. Of course, you can open it in Canva just the same. But I think that's about enough for Canva. It's time to move on. So now let's do Figma. Alright, so it's just at first to know the context and everything, I just told it, give me a diagram for this app. So it gave me just that. Now for Figma. Again, Figma, you just call this. It's like basically calling a friend or something. Hey, do this work for me. Come over here. So Figma, and turn this into a Figma diagram. And we just let it do its own thing. It's trying to connect to the app, same as Canva, but this time with Figma, I didn't connect previously, so you're going to see what it outputs. So as you can see, same with Canva, it's the exact same thing. ChatGPT wants to connect to Canva, Figma, whatever. So press continue to Figma, and as you can see, you're here and sign in with your preferred account. So once we do that, you will get this, agree and allow access. You'll be put back to ChatGPT and it will resume working. So be back when it's done. Or actually, I think it's done. Yeah, it's done. So if we go and check it, let's zoom in a bit. Actually, let's go full screen. Why the hassle? Choose option. This is a whole diagram done in Figma, which is amazing because, again, just like Canva, nobody likes using Figma to do diagrams for their apps. So this is absolutely huge. As you can see, we showcase the usage of Canva and Figma, how seamlessly you can use them. And of course, if we go back here, we have others, and the list is still growing. You can use Spotify, Zello, whatever. But for our case, Canva and Figma is more than enough. So yeah, that has been the apps in ChatGPT, a really huge feature. It's a huge step towards the everything app, as some people would love to call it. And yeah, so that has been it. Of course, OpenAI released tons of other features. We'll go over them next time. We'll see what they have in store for us. And of course, this is just an amazing step, honestly. It's very useful, which prompts me to say, what are you gonna use this for? How are you gonna use this? I mean, I'm sure you guys have a lot of stuff in mind, but that about does it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a comment, subscribe, and like the video. Of course, if you want to buy us a coffee and help us with our caffeine intake for the day, you can join our membership. It has a lot of perks. A special thank you to our members, John and Martez. And yeah, that about does it. See you guys next time. Goodbye.